Welcome back, third graders. Today we are looking at our poem, Fair Weather Clouds, in our new unit, Unit 8. I don't know about you guys, but while I was reading this poem, I had some difficulty with some of the new words. One of the words that I wasn't sure about was the word splay in line 6. Now, one thing I could certainly do is use a context clue or a dictionary to figure out what the word splay means. But if you look very closely, you are going to see a text feature on this page that's going to give us a clue as to what splay means. Do you guys see it? I see this little number 1 next to the word splay, and I also see a 1 down here with the word. I also see that they included a definition. The definition is to spread out. So when I go back and reread, now I tilt my head back, splay my hands. It makes sense that splay means to spread out. So the author is talking about spreading out her hands. So we are going to practice using these really cool text features to figure out the meanings of some unknown words in our new close read. Good luck!